Hello, my name is Joe Bongiovanni. I'm the City of Asbury Park Beach Safety Supervisor, and I'd like to talk to you a little about beach safety. As you may have seen on TV or read in the newspapers, each year there are several drownings or near drownings along the Jersey Shore. Most of them occur on beaches that are not guarded by lifeguards or after hours when lifeguards are off duty. I can't impress upon you how important it is that you never ever swim in any lake, pool, or ocean beach where there are no lifeguards present. Every year, lifeguards at the Jersey Shore make thousands of rescues, and you probably never hear about them. But what you do hear about are when those drownings occur after hours when lifeguards are not on duty. 99 out of 100 times, that's what occurs. When lifeguards are on duty, they're making rescues every day, and you don't hear about that. People come to the beach, they feel safe, and they go home safely. All those drownings that you're hearing about are on unguarded beaches or on beaches after hours when lifeguards are not there.
Do not swim without a lifeguard present. We are trained to rescue beachgoers in a great deal of dangerous situations, whether it's big waves, riptides, or any kind of cross current that might occur.
If you find yourself in a rip current, do not panic. That's the most important thing. Don't panic and stay calm. Wait for help and then let the current take you out for a little while until you feel the power die down. Once you feel the power of the rip current die down, swim parallel to the shore to escape the outward pull. Once you are free of the current, you can swim in from there.
If you see someone else in the ocean in trouble, do not go in the water. Call for help. Oftentimes, a non-trained rescuer can become a second victim.
The beaches in Asbury Park are open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, and 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Saturday and Sunday. Those are the hours when lifeguards are on duty and the only times you should swim in the ocean.
We love our beaches here in Asbury Park, and the lifeguards are here to help you. Please stay safe and only swim on beaches where lifeguards are present and on duty.